Let's see how we can use the WRAPROWS function in Google Sheets. We have the WRAPROWS function Google Sheet open and it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the data, A22, A25 range, employee ID, name, and department in consecutive rows. In column C, we want the ID. In column D, we want the name. In column E, we want the department. So we want the data in 3 columns: ID, name, and department. For this, we can use the WRAPROWS function, which wraps the provided range by rows of the specified size. It takes range, wrap count, and optional pad with as arguments. An example is shown. For our case, we will write, equal to WRAPROWS, range will be, A22, A25. Comma wrap count will be 3, since we want each row to have 3 values or columns. For now, we will skip the optional pad with argument. We see that we get the ID from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We get the name, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And we get the department, department 1, 2 times. Department 2, twice. Department 3, 3 times. And Department 4, once. Now, suppose we do not have the information regarding the department for employee H, with employee ID 8, let's remove the data in cell A25. We will not take the range as A22, A25 in the WRAPROWS formula, but as A22, A24. If we don't give the optional pad with argument, we get the default value of an error. There is no value for this cell. Suppose we give the optional pad with argument as, in quotes, no value. We get the no value in cell E9. Let's change it back to original, that is write department 4 in cell A25. Change range in the WRAPROWS formula from A22, A24, to A22, A25. We get department 4 in cell E9. Even when the optional pad with argument is given as no value, we get department 4 because we have all the data for the range. If we remove optional pad with argument, we get the same department 4. With this, we have successfully learned how to use the WRAPROWS function in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.